welcome back to another video of Retro Bowl. And today, I'll be trying to play 2 games. Here's the quick roster. We have our rookie quarterback, Isaiah Lowry. Hopefully we can get a max out arm strength. We have our second rounder, Jeffrey Lamp. He's pretty decent all around. Our rookie third pick. It was okay speed. We have our veteran Drayvon Kern, and then the defense and the kicker. Today we'll be going against Houston. Oh, we have a trade here. Defensive back. In return, they want a 2nd round pick. Let me see. Oh, he looks good. I'm doing it. He's 35 though, so he probably will retire. I think, yeah, I'll do it. He looks really good. He'll help out our defense a lot. Let's get into this game. Okay, we're going to start out with a little throw. There we go. Our rookie receiver got it. I don't like that play with Lamp, so I'm going to probably give this to Kern. But instead, our rookie receiver gets it. And he turned on the burners. He's off to the races. And he gets the touchdown. He gets tackled for the touchdown. We're going to go for 2 here. Good conversion. Houston goes down to score a touchdown, and they get the 2-point conversion, which isn't really helping us. We're going to bomb it to... Oh, I went through a pick. Okay, and they're going to score again probably. Yeah, this is not good at all. We're going to give a Lamp here. Lamp gets 1 yard. I don't really like that. We're going to give it to this random person. Oh, but Lamp catches it. He stiff arms one man. Pushes one man out of the way for the first. We're going to give it a Lamp again. No gain, maybe a couple inches. Oh, I thought he was gonna go for that one. And Lamb gets it. Oh, and he jumps over. 17-yarder. We're gonna give it to our rookie receiver, Austin, I don't really know. Oh, wow, what a good play. Out of bounds. 8 yard. We're going to go try to get the touchdown here because it would be very important. We're going to dive in the end zone. Let's go. We're just going to try to take the lead. Hopefully we can hit it. It's good. They're not going to go down and score. I think we get the ball. No, we don't get the ball. They kick the field goal. They take the lead by 2. I wonder if we can hit him in stride. We hit him. 17 yards. We're going to give it to that guy. Really slow. Basically, the game puts in like really bad players if you don't have those type of players on your roster. And I only have 2 receivers, a running back, a quarterback, and some defensive people. So I don't have a tight end, so my tight ends are random. And our rookie receiver is putting on a show today. We don't really want to upgrade Lamp, so when we get the ball back, it depends where we are, I'm going to start running it. Ooh, they go... We're down by 1. Yeah, I can't run it here. I really want to, but I can't. Oh, that's a pick. Game over. I can't believe I just threw that. Oh, that's a tough loss. We got 2 coaching credits. We're going to criticize him because it's better that he takes it than the whole team. We can just trade him. Oh, but we can if he's really bad. If he has really bad morale. I have 9 coaching credits. My second year on the team. We're gonna hop into another one. Tight end. Oh, sick, we get a tight end. He's toxic though. Yeah, I'm gonna sign him. Hopefully I can get his morale up so I can trade him away. Let's change our uniforms here. Black uniforms. Come on, stop them once. Okay, our defense is really garbage. Kern turns on the burners. And let's like he might score. No, he's not gonna score, so I'm gonna dive. Dive for the extra yards. Let's show Lamb some love. And he gets a touchdown. Great play. Eight, 7. Okay, we hold him to a field goal. Let's give it to our tight end. Oh, but instead our wide receiver catches it. He's really slow, the tight end. You know, I'm just gonna give it to him short. And he catches it. Oh, he stiff arms one man. He's in the ground. 18 yards. Let's give it a Lamp again. Good run up the middle. 4 yards. We just need to hit him short. Can't do anything else with that. Let's give it to our Jeffrey Lamp. 3 yards. That's good. I like 3 yards. We're obviously going to go for this on second down because we have a lot of time still. Oh, and he catches it. We're going to go for 2. And our running back gets it. They're not going to have enough time. We get the ball. We're going to run outside with Lamp. Oh, it's a big run. Another one. This is probably the best second round pick I've ever had. I had one other second round pick, running back, and he was not good at all. But it was not on this server, obviously. I mean, not server, this game. This. Let's give it a Lamp again. And he gets another touchdown. Lamp is going off. Let's get some kicker XP. And they go down and score a touchdown. Green Bay fighting to stay in this one, but we're going to try to run the clock out. If we score, we win. I'm assuming we're going to win unless we throw a pick 6, which very rarely happens, even though I've done it before. But that doesn't matter. Okay, nice 6-yard game. Yeah, I used an audible. I got 2 yards. I want to see if I can lob it. And he catches it. And that's going to be a touchdown. Let's go do another kick. And that's going to be the game. They score down and get a touchdown, but it doesn't matter. Our kicker is out. That's very brutal. Yeah, we're going to praise him. We get to upgrade our receiver. I'm going to upgrade his catching. Roquan Aston, that's the name? Yeah. I can't. No. Well, that's going to be the video for today. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Peace.